Okay, so guys, so hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial where I'll be demonstrating you how you can contribute to an open source project. So let's dive straight into the process. So let me just create a new repo. So we'll name it some cool project. Okay, it's going to be public, add a readme, and yeah. So suppose you are navigating through the internet or specifically GitHub, and you get a look at this very cool project that you like so much, that you want to contribute to it. So how you can contribute to a project? So this is the project that you want to contribute. So let's just have some code here. Let me add some code. Add a file, create new. Let's make a simple program in C++ or C to add two numbers. So let me just write the program. Okay, so int n1 and 2, let's ask the user to enter the numbers. n1 is equal std in n1. Let's copy this and n2. Okay, so int sum is equal n1 plus n2. Cout sum is, sorry, I forgot to zoom in. Sum is sum, and of course handle. Okay, so I think looks pretty nice. Name your file app.cpp. So this is just this is a process where you come across a project on the internet that you want to contribute. So this is the project, this is the code, very simple stuff. So you want to contribute it. So what you can do is you can go to the project, and you will have this option to fork this project. So now I don't have the option to fork because it's already on my account. So the project that you will be looking on the internet will not be on your account, it would be on someone else's account. Let me just show you. I came across this actually very cool project a few days ago. Castra. So this is some very cool open source project, and here I have the option to fork it. Okay, so you will have the option to fork the project. So you will fork this project. Let me just fork this to demonstrate. Okay, and create a fork. So what fork means is that you have your own copy of this project on your account. Look, Hasham Yunus slash, this is my account username, and Castra. So the project is now on my GitHub. Okay, so I have my own copy of that project. So whenever, this is very important, whenever you want to contribute to some project, you need to first create your own copy and then modify your own copy, not the one that is actually you cannot make changes to the copy on their on their account. So you'll need to create a copy or fork of your own and then clone it. You can use the HTTPS or SSH if you have added the SSH agent key on your system, then this is preferred. If not, if you guys need some information about this SSH key adding, do let me know. Do let me know in the comments, so I'll add that. I'll make a little tutorial or something on that topic. So now for now we are using the HTTPS, and go to the terminal. Make sure you have Git installed. So to check if you have Git installed or not on Windows, Linux or Mac, you can follow the same procedure, git minus minus version. So it's giving me the version, means that I have Git installed on my system. If you do not have installed, you can install it using sudo apt install git on the Linux, and brew install git on the Mac. And if you are on Windows, you can just go and download the git exe, or you can use simply git download, and here it will give you the option to download. Let's just wait for a second. Okay, let's forget it. So you'll have the option here to download the exe, and just like any other software, you need to click accept, okay, and all that stuff, and you will have git installed on your PC. You can check it using this this command on Windows, Linux or Mac. It works on all platforms. So we were going to clone this. So where I am, so I am at this path. So let me go to let's forget that, clone it here, git clone. This is the HTTPS key that I copied, this one. So git clone this, and it starts cloning the project. Now I don't want to clone it, that's why I cancelled it. I want to clone this one to show you the procedure. Git clone, let me check if the video is recording. Yeah, it's recording. Git clone and this cool project. So 100% done. I have my own copy of the cool project on my device. So what I need to do now, cd to this cool project and open it in some code editor. Let's open it in VS Code. Okay, so this is our cool project that we downloaded from the internet, and we wanted to contribute to it. So let's after cloning the project on your system, what you need to do is you need to set up the project locally. Double quote, set up the project locally. So what that mean is that you need to download all the dependencies for this project. So now this don't have any dependencies other than C++. So let me just check if I have the compiler installed. So I have the compiler installed. So now if the it depends on your project that what kind of dependencies you need to download. For example, if you have the Flask project, that then it will have a requirements.txt. It will have listed all the dependencies or libraries that you need to install, and every kind of different kind of projects will have their own kind of dependencies. Java project will have different setup, Flutter project will have different. So you need to download all the dependencies and make sure that the project runs locally. So what does this say? Let me just, so first of all, before making any changes to the project that you have downloaded or cloned locally, you need to create your own branch. So git checkout dash b, you should name the branch with some meaningful name. I am just naming it as my branch. So switch to a new branch. So now I will be making changes into this new branch. Okay, if I list the branches, sorry, so we have two branches, one is main and one is the my branch that I created, and this asterisk means that I am on my branch. Okay, so I'll make some changes into this project. Okay, so this was the issue, I guess. Let me, what the hell? And one. Sorry. C++ program to add to user input numbers. What the hell? Okay, so let's forget the part where we'll be let me just take some help from the AI. C in N1 and 2. Okay, cool. So now we have made some changes to this new branch. So now let's try running the app. First number, second number, and sum is 7. So now we cloned a project of someone else's. We created a new branch, we made some changes. Now what we need to do, we have checked that is working fine, and what we will do now, we'll commit this, git commit with a commit message, remove error, let's say remove error. Okay, so now git push, use this command to push. Okay, so pushed. Let's go to the repo. Here you can see my branch had recent pushes 3 seconds ago. So this will show up on the you know on the project where you have contributed. This is your view, not the owner's view. So what you'll do, you'll click on compare and pull request, remove error. This is you creating a pull request. A pull request means that you have made some changes to their project and you are asking them to merge these changes into their original code. Okay, so they don't actually give you the access of the project to make any changes that you want. This is the way that you make your own copy, make some changes in it, and push it to GitHub, create a pull request. So now when you create a pull request, there is a title and there is description. Description, let's add the code was not in working condition, but with this commit it works fine. Now create a pull request. So now you have opened one pull request in that project. Okay, checking for this branch has no conflicts. We'll talk about these conflicts later. So what you did, you cloned someone's project, you created your own copy, you made some changes, and you have requested them or created a pull request or PR that I have made some changes. This is the description of changes. Please merge this pull request into your original code. So this is the view that the project owner is getting now. Okay, so he'll have the option to merge the request. Okay, here he can see the changes here in detailed view, that what got changed. So added this line, deleted this line, deleted this line, added this line, deleted an empty line. These are the changes that the person trying to contribute has made. Now go to the pull request. I have checked, I am the owner of the project. I have checked that you have written a very good code. So now what I'll do, I'll merge your pull request. So I'm merging your pull request. It's merged. Let's go to the project. So this is the commit message, remove error that we used while contributing. So let's go to the code, and here you can see here's the updated code in the original project. Okay, so in this way you have contributed to an open source project. So if this was on someone else's account, here it would be somewhere, here it would be showing me the list of collaborators. At least one would be at least the owner of the project, and other would be me. Let me just show you how it is gonna show. Let's go to the repos, go to this. So these are the collaborators, so me and my two group members. So we are the ones collaborated to this project. So this is how you contributed to a project. And now if we talk about Hacktoberfest, so what happens is that there are projects on GitHub which are labeled as Hacktoberfest. Hacktoberfest. So it has the label Hacktoberfest, so I can now go to this project. Okay, this is I think the original project. Hacktoberfest. You can search for the label Hacktoberfest, and the project that has this label Hacktoberfest, what you can do, you can go to the project's issues. Let first understand the project, what they are trying to build, then go to the issues. Look for the one that you can save. Let's suppose you can solve this one. I would like to add my name to the contributors .md as well as profile. Kindly assign me this issue under Hacktoberfest 24. Thank you. So this person has created an issue. Okay, so let's suppose here is the description of what's wrong with the project and how you can solve it. So what you will do the same process. You'll go to Hacktoberfest and folk or make your own copy. So see 8.5k people have created their own copies or forked this project to contribute. So you will create your own copy. You will clone the project on your machine. You will set up the project locally. You will create your new branch. You will make some changes. You will push it to GitHub and create a pull request with a nice description, and then the owner of the project will have the view to merge the request. Not everyone can merge the request, as you can see here. Merging is blocked. Okay, so I am not able to merge this because I'm not the owner of this project. So this was all about how you can contribute to the projects. I hope it was helpful. I did not want it to be this lengthy, this video to be this lengthy, but it is now. So let's get along with this. So thank you for your time. If you have any queries, any questions at all, you can leave those questions in comments. I'd be more than happy to help you guys. Thank you so much. Goodbye.